Want to change the voice in the Google Gemini app on your iPhone? Here's how to customize the Gemini voice easily. First, open the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Gemini Voice. Here you'll see different voice options available for Gemini. Simply swipe left or right to preview the voices and choose the one you like the most. You can listen to each voice before selecting it, which helps you find the perfect match for your AI assistant experience. Once you've chosen your preferred voice, tap on the confirmation option at the top right corner to save the changes. After that, whenever you talk to Gemini, it will respond using the new voice you selected. If some options look different on your screen, it may depend on your app version or iPhone iOS version, but the steps are generally similar. And that's it. That's how you can change the Gemini voice on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and AI app tutorials.